Hi everybody, it's Gary here from Home & Company Estate Agents. So today I'm in the sought after village of Renhold and I've just listed this 5-bedroom detached house. Property itself has been completely renovated throughout and you've got 3 reception rooms, downstairs cloakroom, conservatory, lovely kitchen breakfast room that you can see behind me. Upstairs you've got master bedroom with ensuite, 4 further bedrooms and a family bathroom. Great thing about this house is it sits on a very large plot, so you've got a big rear garden, lots of off-road parking at the front, double garage and a really useful storage barn. So if this is the sort of thing you're interested in viewing, give me a call on 01234 268 064 and we can get a viewing arranged for you.